lucky over here. Not just kind of lucky. I mean, this is 27th Avenue, but I'm lucky on this lock. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. It's a 2000, 2001?
2000.
All right, hopefully we're gonna get lucky on this lock because there's either like enough wafers in there or there's not enough and I gotta pull your ignition out. So what happened to the key?
I lost it.
Oh, it sounded like you said someone stole it or something.
Yeah, kind of. Both.
Kind of both?
Yeah.
Someone you know or what?
I think so. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a 2000. Oh, there's not enough, damn it. Whose car? Your car or their car?
No, that's mine.
Okay. Yeah, the problem is that this lock is missing a whole bunch of wafers on the... It's because of the year. So like, if you want to see the tool, but it's my language, not your language. He's like, I don't care, just make me a damn key, right? All right, yeah, I'll have to take your ignition out to make the key, so.
Do you have alarm?
I'll have to check. I may or may not. A 2000 Tahoe?
Yeah. I should be able to go to Chevy.
I can get you one tomorrow for sure. If I don't have it, let's see. Maybe your key's in the car?
Huh?
Is your key maybe in the car or no?
No. Then I was like, okay, I felt her energy. I was like, okay. She called us screaming.
That's screw right there.
What if like he feels off? Yeah.
All right, this is the best to get that out. Well, the right surface.
Slap me, but not.
Yeah.
All right, so slap me.
Put it down.
You could have been.
He got it.
Almost. We're gonna put this in here. Okay, nice grip. There we go. All right, to get this out, foot on the brake, put it in reverse. Oh, I gotta move it a little bit more. Okay, we're in reverse now. Now we're gonna turn all the way. We're gonna go to the crank position. Push the pin. A little further.
Huh?
Anyway, let's see. I'm multitasking. I'm not good.
Okay.
There's the ignition. That's how locksmiths change an ignition. Mechanics will drill it. Oh, I'm not changing the ignition. I'm just making a key to it. S series. S.
Because I guarantee if my sister did some shit, you got me fucked up. Because I'm not going back to prison. I don't give two fucks. I just got, crazy. I don't give a fuck if it's my sister.
Right, but if he never would have tried to run her over, I would have never got into it. I would have.
So this bar is what you're pushing in when you force it. Pick it, force it, however you want it. Anyway, once this key will pull this bar, and that's what makes it work. So, I don't know if you can see it, kind of. It's pulled in, so it'll turn. This should work on the door too. Put this ignition back in with the key. A little bit easier to go in. That must have turned when I pulled it out, so we're gonna turn it with a flathead. I got a big old flathead I grabbed. And then put it in. There you go, it's in. I'll cut you a spare, okay?
Thank you.
For next time. Oh, let me check. Well, that's funny. We should see which one of those options it would have been if I cut all those options. Hold on, let me just flip this key over. It would have been my 37th option. That's a lot of cuts. No, my 37th key, which would have been like, I don't know, 100 something, more than 100. So, anyway, that's why I do it this way. 37 keys and about 150 cuts. This one you definitely want to put on, if not, it looks stolen. Anyway, it's done, but I'll put these covers on off camera. See you later, guys.